What's up, everyone? This is Kurt with Snapifier. New news coming up here in just a moment. Big news. Big news. News everyone's been wanting. Everyone's been talking about. There we go. We'll bring that down. Anyway, hope everyone is doing all right. This is Kurt with Snapifier, and have I got a bunch of news for you. We have been going gangbusters on the updates for Snapifier. It's been quite crazy, but quite good at the same time. So I'm going to go through all of those in this video right here. So you're going to be able to get exposed to everything that's going on. If you have questions, comments, or concerns, please put them in the chat. I am live on YouTube. I am rebroadcasting on Facebook. If you comment on Facebook, I won't see until after the live is done. You can click on the link inside of the Facebook group and go to YouTube. Watch us there. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and like this video, because here we get going. All right, I'm going to share my screen here, and I'm going to share the Snapifier tab here. There we go. So now everyone should be able to see my screen here, and I'm going to make myself itty bitty and come down here in the corner. So one of the very first things I want to talk about that we haven't officially spoken about is how much personalization you can actually do. We've increased the capability of the personalization. You could do personalization on any of the tabs. You just won't get the templates that I've been creating. Those are if you're in the cold outreach, or you're brand new to Snapifier and you're paying, just ask me, I'll tell you. So I'm going to go ahead and view this one here. Go ahead and try this again. There we go. So right now there's no name. It just says guess what, until we put the question mark name equals Kurt. And now if you look at the actual title of the tab, it says Kurt, we asked GPT. So you're actually personalizing not just the content on the screen, but we're also contenting the metadata. The reason why this is important, because if we take that link as is with the question mark name equals Kurt, and we come over to Facebook Messenger, and Andy is always my appreciative victim, and put that there, wait until you see it. It even says it here in the description inside of, let me move myself so you can actually see it a little bit better. Kurt, we asked ChatGPT how to increase your ROI. Even on the share link, the share information gets updated with that person's name, so you can actually see it on social sharing. That is one of the huge advantages of going with Snapifier as well. So, and of course, this one has the customization that we have here. Even calls out the person, hey, schedule a call, Kurt. Boom. So we could actually click there. They schedule a call, full 9 yards. And then if you want to see this style with a Loom style video over it, we click here. Still has my name. Press play. Now we show a Loom style video of me addressing the viewers of this particular item here. So customization for the personalization has really grown inside of Snapifier. We're wanting to do this because we understand a lot of people are utilizing cold outreach emails. The problem is they're sending them still to the same vanilla landing page whenever they get to that point. Why not create something that can be customized with a lot more information, such as, I'm going to show you this one. This one, once again, I'm going to do question mark name equals Kurt. And then it has Kurt here and it has Kurt here. And it has Kurt down here. So it's calling me out by name. But that's not all. Let's go ahead and do a little bit more. Biz name equals Crowley.link. So now, see what we could do for Crowley.link instead of your business. We're making it to where you could do a little bit more. But here is the part that's going to make everyone smile. And URL equals HTTPS Crowley.link. And now my blog website's showing here in the background. So if you have a list of your customer's name, their business name, and their URL, you could create a landing page like this, which will grab their attention when you're doing cold outreach and just yank them into your funnel or have them schedule a time to learn more. And this one, if we press play, my video right here talks about the product, and then their blog scrolls in the back. So that's the power of this. It really grabs their attention. So that's enough about personalization. I know a lot of you have been asking for something a little bit more powerful. And if you have developers' rights right now, you're going to have access to this. And I'm going to show you exactly what it is. I'm going to scroll up to the top and I'm going to come over to my Snapifier demo. I'm going to click on the three dots. If you don't already know and you have developer rights, you could transfer your Snap to someone else's account. That's what developers do. They create and then hand over to the user. So you're going to be able to actually transfer the ownership of that Snap to another Snapifier user. But what I want to show you is a little bit more enticing. I'm going to go ahead and click on edit, and we're going to come over to settings. And then you're going to see this little thing right here that says custom domain. This is the huge powerhouse that everyone's been asking for. So if we click on custom domain, it is extremely easy to set up. And if you have Cloudflare, not a problem. We work with Cloudflare. But keep this in mind. What you're going to do is you're going to create a record inside of Cloudflare. I did a subdomain for 2easy2.com. Makes it real simple and easy. And then I turn off the cloud. So let me show you in Cloudflare. I'm going to log in here and verify I'm human. Once I'm logged in, I'm going to come over to easy2.com and then come to DNS. I'm going to scroll down. You're going to see Snapifier right here. Here's the A record, Snapifier, going to the IP address that I'm showing you, but it's DNS only. We're not going through Cloudflare for proxy status. We're not using them. We can't because we're doing our own SSL for you. So keep that in mind. We're giving you the SSL for that subdomain. You don't have to do anything for it. We're doing it for you, making it a lot easier for everyone to utilize. And then once you have that done, add your subdomain here and click save. Now, it could take up to 24 hours to reflect or take effect, but this one, I'm going to go to Snapifier.2. There it goes. There it is. It's up and ready. Snapifier.2easy2.com. So it is working perfectly fine. And the personalization tags work just fine with this as well. So you don't have to worry about that either. So you can create personalized landing pages for your customers and utilize their domain or subdomain inside a Snapifier. This makes it easy for you to manage, and each Snap can have its own custom domain. If you get developers rights, you're able to put custom domains on every single Snap that you create that you have availability to. So these are the two big changes that we've done in the past few weeks. And I hope you enjoy it and I hope you understand we're trying to make Snapifier a powerhouse for you to utilize with your customers as well as inside your own business. Utilize this for cold outreach because cold outreach is working. It is marketing. Nothing says you cannot reach out to someone once and say, "Hey, this is who I am. This is what I can do for you." Nothing says that you can't do that. If you do it multiple times, then it becomes an issue because then what you're doing is you're spamming the people instead of actually giving them an option of trying to opt in and or give you information. I'm going to save what I have in my mind to the next video, which will probably be next week as well. But until then, I hope everyone has a great and safe weekend. If you need anything, please do not hesitate to reach out and ask. You guys have a great weekend. Take care.